Have you ever had this happen to you where the hinge and the door just come loose from the cabinet? Well, if so, it's an easy fix. We're going to show you how. I'm Poppin PJ, and let's get to it. You're going to unscrew the other hinge on the door if it is still remaining. The one on the bottom that we removed is okay, but as you can see, this one here, it is not, and it's going to be repaired. We are taking some wood glue, putting it on a toothpick, and pushing the toothpick in the hole, and a little hammering, tapping, and then repeating the same process to put as many toothpicks as we can into the hole. Again, hammering them in, making sure that the hole is nicely filled, and then we're going to snip off as flush to the cabinet as we can. We repeat this process for all of the holes that need to be filled so that when we replace the hinges, the screw will have something to adhere to. We measured where we want the screw to go in exactly, and so we're actually pre-drilling the hole by drilling in the screw and then taking it back out, and then we would be taking the hinge and then placing the screw onto the hinge onto the cabinet. We repeated this process for the other side of the cabinet. The cabinet is now taking the screws in just fine. So let's see how we did. Let's see how they function. Looking good to me. Now let's check out the other side. It works just fine too. Yay, that's poppin'. This trick will work for any woodworking where the hole is stripped out and the screw will not thread in. So use this tip, it is helpful. A special thanks to the crazy guy helping me with this project, Crazy Rob, and here he is being crazy, riding his Black & Decker vacuum chopper. Woohoo! If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Poppin PJ has something for you.